Assalamualaikum, my name is Amalia Syafiqah binti Azhari. My student ID 2025305149. Today I want to present Mathematics 112, Study Case 1. Hakim plans to buy a house in a few years. To achieve his goal, he decided to deposit part of his income into an investment account that offered 4.1% annual interest compounded quarterly. After 8 years, his savings have grown to 118,547 ringgit and 26 cents. After reviewing his financial progress, Hakim begins to explore other options for reaching his housing goal sooner. Question 8. How much money did Hakim initially invest at the beginning? For this question, we need to find the principal. So the future value is 180,547 ringgit and 26 cents. The principal is unknown. Annual interest rate is 4.1% and convert to 0.041. M equals 4. Time period is 8 years. This formula is S equals time bracket 1 plus K divided by M to the power of MT. S 108,547 ringgit and 26 cents equals the principal multiplied by the quantity of 1 plus 0.041 divided by 4 all raised to the power of 4 times 8. So 180,547 ringgit and 26 cents equals the principal multiplied by 1.01025 raised to the power of 32. So 180,547 ringgit and 26 cents equals the principal multiplied the 1.3858733185. P equals 180,547.26 divided by 1.3858733185. Final answer is 130,276 ringgit and 9 cents.
So, my name is Alia Kristina binti Sumi. My matric number is 2025193193. So, I will present for my part. So, for B, calculate the total interest earned over the 8 years. So, the formula is I equal to S minus P. So 180,547.26 minus 130,276.90. So, for the answer is 50,270.36.
So, come back with me again, Amalia Syafiqah binti Azhari. Question C. If Hakim wishes to have 250,000 ringgit in the sum account, how long will it take at the sum interest rate and compounding frequency per of n? S equals 250,000 ringgit. P equals 130,276 ringgit and 90 cents. I equals 4.1%. Compounded quarterly, so the quarterly rate is R equals 0.01025. This formula S equals P bracket 1 plus R the power of n. So 250,000 equals 130,276.90 brackets 1 plus 0.01025 the power of n. Next, 250,000 equals 130,276.90 brackets 1.01025 power of n. So 1.918989 equals 1.01025 the power of n. N equals log 1.918989 divided log 1.01025. N equals 0.2830072 divided 0.0044288. N equals 63.91
Hakim wants to
quarters.
reach 300,000 in 5 years. Determine the nominal and annual interest rate compounded quarterly required to achieve this goal. Hence, calculate the quarterly periodic rate. So, the formula is S equal to 300,000, P equal to 130,276.90. So, for T is 5 years. Compound quarterly equal to N equal to 4 multiple 5. So, the answer is 20. So, for the next formula is S equal to P in the bracket 1 plus I. So, 1 plus I equal to 300,000 per 130,276.90. So, 1 plus I equal to in the bracket 2.30209. So, 1 plus I equal to in the bracket 1.04258793. So, next, 1 equal to I equal to 1.04258793 minus 1. So, the answer is 0.04258793. So, I equal to 4.259% per quarter. So, nominal annual interest rate compound quarterly R norm equal to 4 in the bracket 0.04258793. R norm equal to 0.1003517. R norm equal to 17.04% per annum. Quarterly periodic rate equal to 4.259% per quarter.
My name is Nur Alia Nabila binti Abdul Wahab. My ID student number is 2025156005. Okay, so we move to case study 2. Aman saved 500 ringgit every 3 months for 5 years in his daughter's account, which paid 4% compounded quarterly. Immediately after Aman had made the last deposit, his daughter withdrew half of the amount in the account and invested it in ABC Bank, which paid 6% compounded monthly. Find the amount in his daughter account at ABC Bank after 2 years. The deposit every 3 months, duration, frequency, daughter periods, and interest 4%. So we move to formula future value annuity. So this is the formula. FV equal R, open the bracket, 1 plus I, close the bracket, power n minus 1 divided I. So that was the formulas. So we just need to fill in all of the numbers. So FV equal 500, open the bracket, 1.01, close the bracket, power 20 minus 1 divided 0.01. And we got FV equal 500 multiplied 22.019 equal 11,00950 cents. So step 2, we need to divide it, the answer for 11,009.50 ringgit divided 2. So we got the answer 5,504 ringgit 75 cents. That's for step 2. For step 6, so the final answer was 6% compounded monthly for 2 years. 73 cents. So now we move to the second question. 5,500 4 ringgit is buying a new photocopy of the bracket 10,000 ringgit to finance her purchase. Power 24. In her old photocopy machine for 20,000 ringgit, and the balance is financed through a bank with an interest rate of 12%. So the final answer was for the repayment of the bank loan, she must pay 1,779 ringgit 56 cents a month. Find the number of monthly payment that will settle the loan. So the question already given interest 12% and monthly payment. So the first step is 100,000 minus 20,000. So we got 80,000 ringgit. The second step was, this is the formula, PV equal R, open bracket, 1 minus open bracket, 1 plus I, close bracket, power negative n divided I. So this is the So this is the way to resolve the question. 80,000 equal 1,779.56 cents. Open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1.01, close the bracket, power negative n divided 0.01. So we got 0.4497, and then we just need to fill in the formula again to find the answer. And the final answer was n equal 0.5503. That was for step 2. Then step 3, the final was n equal log, open bracket 1.01, close the bracket, divided log, open the bracket 0.5503, close the bracket. And then the final answer was 59.9. But
So for Raman, if Rebel to meet her 6 monthly payment, how much should she pay on her 7th payment? So for the formula is R in the bracket 1 plus I. So RM 1,779.56 in the bracket 1 plus 0.01. So payment at month 7 equal to RM 1,779.56 plus RM 1,797.36.
0.01. 60 come from immediately. N equals 60 negative 40 equals 20 equals 1,779.56 cents. Bracket 1 plus 0.01 the power of 20 negative 1 divided 0.01 equals 1,779.56 cents. Bracket 22.019 equals 39,184 ringgit and 30 cents.